When citing images and using images that aren't yours, it's always good to have giving the proper photo credit. And if I wanted to use something from Flickr from CC Search, I've got a quick way of finding images that I can use. So if I'm looking for a duck, I can also say I want something that I can use for commercial purposes, modify, adapt, or build upon. Those tick boxes are important. So if I click on Flickr, it'll take me to flickr.com with my search result. And it'll show me everything that's here. But the nice thing about Flickr, if I want to find something that's a little bit more interesting, I can click from relevant down to interesting. Because Flickr is a social media platform, it can also help you find images that are that people have upvoted. So here I've got these ducks in flight. So I'm going to choose this image. And down here it tells me the title of the work, who created it. It also gives me some more information about what happened, how they created this image. So it's going to tell me what kind of camera they had. And then it also tells me about the licensing. So it says some license reserved. So if I click on that, it'll tell me that this is a attribution share alike 2.0 generic. Basically, it tells me that how this image can be used. It's allowing this to be remixed, built, or whatever, as long as I'm giving some proper credit. So the thing that I need to know here, if I was going to use that image, is a couple things. First is that I need to get a copy, I need to get the image there. So in this case, I'm going to use it as a download. So I'm going to download the original. And then I'm going to go and click on my spot where I'm going to put my image. And I'm going to replace that image. And I'm going to drag that image in. And now I've got the ducks in there. Down here, I'm going to put I want to put the title in quotes. So this was in flight ducks. And then I want to jump back over to Flickr, and I want to right click on the right click on the author's name and hit copy link address and go back to my little to the author, and I'm going to type in H. Vargas and highlight that text and hit link and paste. And then what I need is, here for the license type here is I'm going to just type in CC 2.0 because that was the type of comment that we have. We got a CC 2.0, and I'm just going to copy that text which I got by clicking on this link here. And I am going to add that link and apply. So that's pretty solid citing of an image. I also want to go in and link the in-flight ducks title to the actual image that I downloaded. So if I go back here and I go over to the share button and I grab this share code here, and I link that image there to the share code and apply. If I click on that image, then I can then go directly to that image. So everything here is pretty straightforward and usable, but then it's also pretty thorough as to how to go about citing a image.